So if you can purchase the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus because of that heavy pricing, if you are in love with the Samsung's new prism white color option that is available for the S10 and the S10 Plus, if you really want that in-display fingerprint sensor and that triple rear camera setup in 1/3 of the price, then the Galaxy A50 is coming for you. Alright guys, in this video let's talk about the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A50. We have the real life images and new information for the same. So Samsung is planning for the global launch event on 28th of Feb in India, and they are launching 3 new phones that includes Galaxy A10, we have the Galaxy A30 and the A50. The Galaxy A10 and the A30 are almost same phones as the Galaxy M10 and the M20, but there are total of 5 differences, and that includes there is Infinity U notch in the Galaxy A phones, there's 4000 mAh battery, there's Android 9.0 Pie with Samsung's One UI, and you are getting new color options like there's red, which looks really hot. And at last, the best part is these phones are coming to the offline markets. Okay, so now comes the Galaxy A50, which looks really gorgeous guys. There's 6.4 inches panel with Infinity U drop notch, and the best part is the top and the bottom bezels are smaller than the Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So on front it looks really nice. And one thing worth noticing is that it's coming with an in-display fingerprint sensor. At this point I have no idea if this is ultrasonic or an optical fingerprint sensor, cause there is same animation as the S10 and the S10 Plus. That won't be a shocker at all if this is an optical fingerprint sensor, and that is totally fine. On the back panel there's triple rear cameras just like the Galaxy A8s, and looks nice. And the rumors are the Galaxy A50 will feature optical image stabilization. Yes guys, there will be an OIS in the Galaxy A50. There's gonna be a 25 megapixel main sensor, and the front is also 25 megapixel. You will get 3 color options with the Galaxy A50, and that includes there's prism white, there's blue and black, and the one I'm gonna choose is the white color option. With the same shimmer, the same gradient look as the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. I mean, looks gorgeous guys. So one difference in the S10 and the Galaxy A50, and that's there's glossy back panel, there's glossy plastic on the A50, and there's real glass on the S10, but that's totally fine. Plastic is always durable as compared to the glass. As per the processor and the storage variants, you will be getting Exynos 9610 SoC that lies between the Snapdragon 660 and 675 in terms of the performance. So that's nice. There is gonna be 4 gigs of RAM and 6 gigs of model. You will get 2 storage variants, and that includes the 64 gigs and 128 gigs. So there you have the Samsung Galaxy A50 coming later this month, exactly on 28th Feb. In a few days the sale will start in Indian markets, so start saving your money if you are planning to buy the Samsung Galaxy A50, which is coming with in-display fingerprint sensor, there's triple rear cameras, and there's also 25 megapixel selfie shooter, and there's OIS in the rear panel, Exynos 9610 SoC, and yeah, prism white color option. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.